repatriation work?
How repatriation works for export?
Yeah.
What do you mean? How repatriation works? Repatriation basically means bringing the money back to the country.
How?
So if I export and I send document, it's expected that the buyer should pay me back. So that money that is paid, either it's LC or it's bills or it's open account or advance payment, that money that is coming back is export proceeds. And the act of the money coming back into your export proceeds account is called repatriation.
Okay, I get it.
When you present document in a letter of credit, it's an evidence of performance. When you present document in a standby letter of credit, it's an evidence of default. Does that make sense?
Okay, the document was fake.
And the reimbursing bank paid
The document
without
was
any discrepancy risk.
the document was fake, and the payment has been made before it got to you.
Yes.
Okay.
And after so maybe 1 month or whatever, the customer now confirmed that
The shipping document was fake.
and he said it's not like it was fake. The document was not even the document was fake, so he couldn't
clear.
Yeah. So he now released
To be like, no, the bank will not. Because if you are the one that issued letter of credit, you will have signed a letter of credit application form that said the bank, Article 35 said the bank is, it gives, indemnify the bank. Because the bank is not an expert in that, the bank is not the one that issued the shipping document. So the bank couldn't have ascertained, it's like legal tender currency. The bank can check because the bank has facility to check fake currency. But if you have a bill of lading, I don't have facility to check bill of lading. So the bank is already exonerated liability on document. Please look at this program. Look at this. Anytime you see a draft that say, look, can we look up? Can we look up?
Yes. Wow.
This is a French word for guarantee. For guarantee. Or about. Or sometimes you only see this about. Anytime you see a draft that has this, please show it to your boss. Don't treat. This is saying your bank should guarantee the payment. Yes. So if you do not reject it, it is assumed you have guaranteed. Yes, your take home.
So what I enjoyed most is the pictorial representation of those things.
Okay.
Really grateful.
Okay, okay. Like one we did yesterday.
At a glance, you can almost see it. I can never feel a whole lot.
Okay,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
like the pictorial and graphical
Representation.
Who knows Sabi English?
You go back, please. Go ahead.
I also see that say like even the subsidy and even also a view of so many
Of trade. Yes.
documents.
Okay. Okay.
I don't do it. I know you're doing maybe you know that a P.
You might find yourself doing it sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, be careful when doing export LC. Okay. Yeah, for bill for collection, yes. They have the address. And not to be a courier where you are dealing with LC.
Okay, for me, I didn't really know much about LC.
Okay.
This has really, I think, given me like the beginning, like I have like an idea.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
So when I hear about the next time, I have
A good understanding.
I have
What's
a
it?
good understanding, like beginner understanding. I learned.
Okay, yes, faith you have access to, but how is it for you? That's why. Okay, sorry.
No, I learned so many things that I knew.
Okay,
so
good.
this LC, this trade work is quite wide.
Yes,
It's
yes.
every day you learn.
Yes,
And
exactly.
I wrote a lot of things
Down. Okay.
that are new to me and I understand better some things.
Good.
that I used to just know.
No. And it will make a lot of sense to you because you have done it. So sometimes you might even be, you don't know why you did it that way.
Yeah, but now
you know why you did it that way.
No,